I'm a labor and delivery nurse, and let's go over how to use all this postpartum supplies. At the hospital, they will provide you with something that looks like this, which is underwear that you can definitely use postpartum, but I recommend getting a Depends or some kind of overnight underwear situation because it's gonna be a lot easier than dealing with the underwear and pad recently postpartum. In your bathroom, you're gonna wanna have something called a peri bottle that looks a little bit like this. Almost all hospitals provide you with one, but you can also get it on Amazon. And you're gonna wanna fill it with either cold or warm water. This is completely dependent on what feels best for you. You're gonna wanna spray as you pee. This helps to dilute the urine as you pee, which will help to kind of not make it sting as much. If you've had a cut or a laceration and you have some stitches down there, it'll really help with the burning. So you're going to want to directly spray it onto your vagina as you pee. And then once you're done peeing and you're done spraying and cleaning up down there, you're gonna wanna take some toilet paper, and instead of wiping like you normally would, you want to just pat. So I'm going to pat, pat, pat. You are going to find the biggest pad you can possibly get your hands on if you don't have Depends underwear. Also super helpful if you have someone else there to help you kind of put your underwear on in this stage, because you're gonna be sore and it's gonna be really hard to even just bend down to pull your undies up. Once you have your underwear here, we're gonna put a pad right here. Even if you have Depends underwear, you can also layer a pad in here, and this will make this whole process easier because when you need to change the pad, you just rip it out and you have the underwear underneath to act as a pad as well. So then you put your pad here, and something that I would definitely recommend getting is called Dermaplast. And this is something you can spray on the pad or on your peri area. Always talk to your doctor before using something like this, but pretty much everyone says it's safe. So once you have your pad ready to go, you also want to grab some tucks. Tucks really help to just kind of soothe your down below area, especially if you've just gotten stitches down there. You can actually keep these in the fridge, and then when you're ready to go change your pad, go grab some, take them out, and then you're ready to layer them onto your pad just like a turkey sandwich. So they smell just like witch hazel, which is so comforting for your down below area. And you can usually use like 2 or 3 of these, and you just want to layer them onto your pad like this. And then once you're done with that, you're pretty much ready to hike up this massive pad situation. And again, this is helpful if you can get someone to help you put this on. This is the reality of postpartum, and it is just